Good afternoon. I have an LSDA mortar cylinder lock 7-pin with a Schlage Keyway. It does work. I have removed the tail piece to save a little time because this lock is a little contrary about opening. It has the flywheel style key pins in it. This is the bitting on the key. So let's open it up and see what kind of pins we have in this lock. Okay, we're going to use top of the Keyway, and I'm going to start off with this pick. I will change picks probably before it's over with. We're going to start at the front, check our pins on the way back. Okay, we got a little bit out of pin 6 in, I believe. A little bit out of 1. Let's try a different pick temporarily. Let's get to the back. Okay, there we go, a little bit on pin 1 again. Pin 2. Okay, pin 6. Give us just a little bit of a false set. Okay, there's a little bit more false set on pin 4. A little bit more false set on pin 4. Move just a little bit more. Or, sorry, that was pin 5. This pin 4 gives us a little feedback. May not be ready to set yet. Okay, there's pin 1 again. And we're still getting feedback on pin 4. See if we can get it to move a little bit. Okay. Let's check it again now. I think we got pin 4 in place. No, still not in place yet. There it is. Slipped in place in. That was pin 2. Thought it was pin 4, but it's pin 2. Go to the back again. Alright, there's pin 3. Give us a little bit more false set. Okay, I've got to concentrate on setting those inner pins now, I believe. bounce them up into place, hopefully. Let's go back to the back again, see if we can get them to set. Felt like one might have given then a little bit. Okay, there we are. Got her open. I believe that was pin 3 that opened them. Okay, I don't think that this will slide through. I will try it and see. Okay, it did. Alright, let's check our bottom pins first. All the bottom pins are serrated. Okay, there's all 7 pins serrated. Let's examine the plug now. Okay, you can see that 2 and 6 are counter milled. The rest of the pin chambers are threaded. Let's look at our top pins. Alright, pin number 1 is a serrated pin with one of those flywheel type T-pins. See if I can get it out. May have to take it out piece by piece. Okay, there we go. It's number 1. Okay, there's number 2. Okay, there's number 3. And it turned upside down then, I believe. No, it didn't. It's still right side up. We're about to lose it. It's number 3. Number 4. Oops, that one fell apart. Okay, number 5. And number 6. Oops, we got them both out then. Okay, I'll just have to let them fall out. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. First, let's look at the inside of this. Every chamber is threaded inside. That number 6 is not threaded quite so deep, but it's still threaded further up. I guess I missed that one getting completely threaded. Okay, let's take a real close look. Okay, The bottom key pins are all serrated. They at least have at least 2 serrations on them, on the top of them. This is the type pins that we have in the lock on 1, 2, and 3. On the next 3. Okay, we do have a spool here with a pin going through it. This is a serrated key pin. And the other 3, we had a serrated upper pin, a spool, and a serrated upper pin, another spool, and a serrated upper pin, another spool, and on the last one we had a spool. All serrated key pins. Okay, that's what we have in this lock. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again. And thank Michael for the lock.